Andrew Watts, CEO at Ivrnet. Ivrnet is a fintech pioneer. We're providing solutions to small, medium business, enterprise, and government for over 20 years. Since 2008, we have been a PCI DSS compliant provider. What that means is that we provide a audited safety environment for doing financial transactions, whether it's online or over the phone. IVR, interactive voice response, so we specialize in telecommunications. So our main area is doing it for large call centers, whether in Canada, the United States, or globally, where we provide the end user to be able to provide their cardholder data safely. And so what we do is we de-scope the PCI compliance for our clients. They're not responsible for the cardholder data, we are. For a call center to integrate Ivrnet's TelePay into their processes is a relatively simple solution. We can integrate with any CRM, ERP, it doesn't matter what the PBX is, and we're integrated with most of the global call center software platforms. Once it is integrated, the end user, the person giving their information, would never know that Ivrnet is there. The agents in the call center have no idea that Ivrnet is there. What happens though during the transaction is there's three ways to do it. There is the automated way. They call in, press 1 to make a payment. They go through the automated system. They would enter an invoice number or similar. It would then prompt them to enter their credit card information. And once that's done, it would either transfer them somewhere else or in the call. The second way is they're talking to the agent in the call center. The call center agent says it's now time to take your payment. They will then transfer them into the PCI environment through Ivrnet's IVR system, which is on top of the call center's system, and the transaction will go through. And then at the end of that, they can transfer the client back to the agent or route them or hang up or do whatever they want it to do. The third way is that we actually keep the agent on the line, and Ivrnet actually removes the dial tone. We don't just mute it. There are some competitors out there that do that. We actually remove the line during that transaction while the end user enters their credit card information. Keeping the agent on the line can provide a lot of different benefits. It can allow the agent to continue to provide live customer service. They might possibly be selling additional services, or just for the comfort of the end user to have someone there to talk to them. Ivrnet's TelePay solution for call centers can save the call centers significant revenue. We've been able to reduce the call center agent time significantly through our process where we keep the agent on the line. There's significant savings to the call centers or the client because in order to be PCI compliant, they have to go through audits. Depending on how they were taking the cardholder data, they have to keep all sorts of information. If you've got a large single call center, multiple call centers, international call centers, every agent that uses the phone system all has to be trained on PCI compliance. When you do your audit, you have to prove all of that. Ivrnet removes all of that burden because all of the transaction goes through our system. When our clients go to do their annual PCI audit, Ivrnet provides what's called an AOC, or our attestation of compliance from our annual audit. And it saves all of the documentation, and it saves an incredible amount of time for our clients to go through their PCI audit. Ivrnet's TelePay is safe, efficient, compliant, and can protect your organization and your clients. Please visit us at ivrnet.com.